He does not care. Look at his face. He does not care whatsoever. I hope you guys know you're going in the comp.
No, they're not.
Yeah.
Y'all are literally going in the comp. This is going on YouTube, bro. Y'all are cooked. Built like that.
What'd I do? Fact, you have a great boyfriend. Does it look like I raised in this household?
Yes.
Curly ass get up, you got going on here. And the blue boyfriend that's across the goddamn street. John? You know John. It don't matter. You can't. I did not raise a goddamn boy.
That's kind of crazy.
Get out. Get the fuck out. No.
I'm pointing towards John.
Why am I getting Get out of my house! No!
Not Jellybird.
You got 3 seconds to run, boy.
Mississippi.
Do a flip. The fuck you on about, bruh? Do a flip. Okay, booty cheeks first. I see you.
So ominous on the TV.
Down here.
Meow.
Ready, go toothless! Go toothless!
That's not hiccup. This is pickup. This isn't hiccup. This is pickup, bruh.
You're a very good wolf.
Fuck you.
Dragon. You're a very good dragon.